In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your front turn signals for your Infiniti JX35 and QX60. This will cover all the steps you need to get the job done, and that's right now on Nexus Auto. So what do you need to get this job done? Well, nothing more than a flathead screwdriver and your replacement bulb. So to do that, the easiest way is to just get access into here. So if you look under here, you'll see the plug there, and there's one. Where's the other one? Right there. So, and there's going to be one back here, which unfortunately mine is actually missing. But to get to that one, to get all of them, you just need to get the flathead screwdriver. Get a cloth if you don't want to damage the finish on the paint for the ones in here. And you're just going to pry them up just so you can lift this aside and get access. Alright, so you're going to go here and you're just going to take your screwdriver. You're going to go right into the clip right there. You see it, I don't know if you can see it well enough. You're just going to go into the lip and just pull up. While pulling on this, you're just going to use this to pry the clip out of there. And then over here, same idea, you lift up here, just going to put the screwdriver in, same thing, and you're just going to pull up while you lift. As you can see now, this will just come out fairly freely. Oh, there's a little plug here, you can just pull that right out, that just goes back in after, very easy. You can just lift that aside. Now if you're wondering how to take out this one here, I'll show you on the other side. So this is the driver's side here. You just take your flathead, there you go, and you just kind of pry it. Until it comes right out. You pull out like that. See? That's what should be on the other side. I'm missing one, unfortunately, but you get the idea. Passenger side, because you do have the washer fluid spout here, you do have to pop that off and this will just come right out. Do make sure, of course, that there's no fluid in here when you do this, otherwise it's going to spill. So just make sure it's all clear. It clears down there, not too far. If you look down, you'll see it. I don't know if you can see the connection right there. So again, you just grab your flathead. Same type of clip that was on the side of the panel, you just lift that out and pull that, kind of twist and pull. Would be a good idea to take a cloth and put it in there just because you don't want anything to go inside in the washer fluid. I'll show you. You can see now it's just an opening right there. That's where this plugs into. But now with this, you can get access to all the bulbs. Any bulbs you want to change in the back. So your turn signal bulb is located right here. As you can see, that's your signal in the front. Top one. So that's the one you're going for right there. So now it's just a matter of reaching in around, putting your hand in, twisting, and removing the bulb. Then you just grab the bulb. You push down and twist. Touch again. You push down, twist, and lift out. And then you take your new bulb, line it up. You'll see the notches on there, on the bulb itself. Okay, so you just put the bulb in, line it up, push down, twist. Now the bulb is locked in. So now this bulb is hanging here, but you want to make sure it's not touching anything, any dirt, anything like that. You just put the bulb back in, push it in, twist, and you're good to go. So now that we're all done, it's just putting everything back together in reverse. So you're going to take your nozzle, you're going to go right here. You're going to feed that into that opening. Try and make sure when you're feeding it in, you're lining up that hole. You're just going to kind of wiggle it until it kind of clicks in. I don't know if you heard it, but it'll make a thunk. and it's clicked in, ready to go. And then you just take the same type of clip here. Make sure this plug is pulled out, because when it pushes in, it spreads it. So you want to make sure it's pulled out so it's not spreading. So just took a little bit of squeezing. You had to use my other hand, but just squeeze the clip in and push it in there, and then you just pop that in. And now this is now secured once again. And now you put everything back together, and that's just a matter of just taking these, lining them right back up. So line this one up here and push down, and then line this one up here and push down. And then you just take this here, it's just flexible rubber, and you just kind of loop it over this little clip here, or you could just take the clip right out actually and just feed that right back through like that. Now I'm going to show you on the driver's side again. If you have this clip here that goes on the side, which is kind of right behind there, that little groove, same thing over here. You just bring this up, you line up the hole, push this in, and kind of make sure it goes into the hole there. Let's see. There we go. There, it's in, clip, and you're good. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope this video has helped you out here today. Now let's go through some of the YouTube stuff, shall we? Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video has helped you out. And if you want to see my future videos, I try and put out one at least once a week. Make sure to hit notifications as well, just so you can get those videos. On the flip side to that, if you didn't like the video for whatever reason and you do dislike it, not a problem. Feel free to leave it in the comments of why you disliked it, whether it be something I did wrong, whether it's something you didn't like in the video. By all means, just let me know so I can keep making the best content possible. It's kind of the whole point of it, so make sure to do that. Speaking of the comments, if you have any questions, concerns, anything you want to add on, anything you see you can do better, anything that maybe you add on and it actually is worse, whatever it is, feel free to leave it in the comments. Nothing wrong with that. I always try and answer whenever I can. It may not be the same day, next day, whatever, but I try and answer all comments, so make sure to leave that as well. Once again, I want to thank you very, very much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.